Okay, so the number of houses that can be served by a water pipe varies directly as the square of the diameter of the pipe. The water pipe that has a 10 centimeter diameter can supply 50 houses. So how many houses can be served by a pipe that has a 30 centimeter diameter? So let's kind of unpack this sentence by sentence here. So the number of houses that can be served by water pipe varies directly. Remember, when we see varies directly or directly proportional, we know that we're using our general equation, y, let's see, let's write this over here. Like y equals our k times our x. Okay, so that's like the general form that our equation is going to take on. So let's see, our number of houses varies directly. The number of houses, that's going to be like our y. So let's go ahead and call that h. Or if you want to call it y, you can just call it y, whatever you want to do. So it varies directly. So we know that h equals k. That's the varies directly part. And it varies directly as the square of the diameter of the pipe. So let's just call the diameter d. Okay. And it varies directly as the square of the diameter. So that's going to be d squared. And that's going to be like our general formula. So now it tells us that a water pipe that has a 10 centimeter diameter can supply 50 houses. So we're going to use that information to find what our proportionality constant is, our k. So it says that 50 houses are supplied by 10 centimeters of pipes. So that's our 10 goes in for our diameter, and that's squared. So we know that this is going to be 50 equals k times 100, because 10 squared is 100. Divide both sides. Okay, and you get that our proportionality constant is 50 over 100, or just 1/2. Okay, so go ahead and plug that back into our general equation. So that's going to be h equals 1/2 times our diameter squared. So now that we have our equation that's related to the question, we can answer the final question that's asking us. How many houses can be served by a water pipe that has a 30 centimeter diameter? So you're just going to plug in that 30 centimeters for D, and you're just going to plug and chug and figure out the answer. So here's your H, and it's equal to 1/2, and now our D is 30 centimeters squared. So it's going to equal 1/2 of 900, and your H is going to equal 450 houses. Don't forget that label on there. And that's it.